Welcome to my channel, and I'm happy to see you come back, and let's get on with today's message. Nature is where I hear the divine. This is where, when I'm confused or unsure, I find myself here. I use taking my dog for a walk as an excuse or as a motivation to come out into nature. Nobody judges you when you're in nature. Nobody really is concerned when you're in nature, and you commune with the trees, the birds, the animals, and the divine. This place that I come to has literally saved my life. I mean, I have been coming here for so long, and many of the times that I come here, it gives me time to process things, whether it be traumatic things or just everyday things or decisions I need to make or problems I need to solve. Find after I spend time here that my intuition, my cognitive abilities, my psychic abilities are strengthened. It's important to go where it's peaceful, where there's not so much noise from cars, construction noise, and people chattering and talking. You can recognize your own frequency and be able to really commune with that vibration. I am so grateful that when I was young, my parents taught me to go out in nature. We were constantly going camping and fishing and hunting and hiking. It's given me a profound understanding of the importance of the environment and animals and the birds and the trees and the plants. Everything that has been the divine's gift, God's gift to us, is a blessing in its original form. No GMO animals, no GMO plants, no cloned things. Original is always the best. As many of you have done and know, it is so rewarding to be able to pick something that you grew or somebody else grew and make it into something that's yummy, or use the plants and herbs that we have to be able to make things that help us with pain or help us with keep our skin nice. And those are things I value a lot. There's so much wisdom in plants, and ancient medicine teaches us that. But we're often trying to find the next best thing that comes from a lab. Lulu's pulling me. And that's not always going to be the next best thing. Many times people are just trying to sell you something. Keep it original. Keep it organic if you can. Local, source from people you love or like, and do it yourself if you can. And get out into nature and get a greater appreciation for your own personal healing and your own personal path. So I love it that I can come out here with my dog and with myself, and I don't need to arrange a date. I don't need to get on anybody's schedule. I can just walk out the door and I'm there in a few minutes. Lulu and I would like to thank you for joining us today, and please like or subscribe. I just let go of the rope so she could go far. Hopefully she'll come back.